Sunflowers, pineapples, seashells, and galaxies. Four totally different things. Or are they? They all follow the same hidden pattern, a mathematical code that appears in nature, art, and even in your own face. But what is this secret code called? It's called the Fibonacci sequence. Popularized in 1202 by Leonardo of Pisa, also known as Fibonacci, it all began with a simple question. If you have one rabbit, then add a partner, and each month they reproduce, and then their babies also start reproducing, how many rabbits will there be after each month? The answer: 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. A sequence wherein each number is the sum of the two numbers before it and a pattern that keeps on going infinitely. But it's not just rabbits. Nature seems to love this pattern too. Take a seashell. If we turn those Fibonacci numbers into squares and stack them, we get a Fibonacci spiral approximately following the spiral of the seashell. This sequence is one that shows up again and again in nature. Sunflowers, pineapples, hurricanes, and even galaxies. One simple rabbit puzzle revealed a secret code behind the shapes and patterns of the universe. So, what else could we discover if we just asked the right question?